All right, hi there. I'm Chantal Ludder, one of the horticulturalists with the Museum of the Shenandoah Valley, and I wanted to remind folks that we have our May Heritage Plant Sale coming up. That will be Friday, May 21st and Saturday, May 22nd from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And we have a specialty preview sale for the members Thursday, May 20th from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. So we're standing in the hoop house right now where we have all these awesome perennials growing, which we will have at the sale. And what you don't see is in the shade, we have all of our shade perennials. Out back, we have all of our shrubs, a lot of native shrubs, a lot of native trees, rare stuff, odd stuff. We have pawpaws, we have oak leaf hydrangeas. And down in the greenhouse, we have all of our heirloom peppers and tomatoes and basil and just a whole bunch of fun oddball stuff. So if you're looking for something rare and unusual, or even for something that you just can't kill, we have it all. Come see us this weekend.